बुक 7th 1.3 लिटिल गर्ल्स वाइजर देन ओल्ड पीपल। इसके आज हम लोग वर्कशॉप सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं हम लोग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है रीड अलाउड विथ प्रॉपर इंटोनेशन। इसमें आपको जो यहाँ पर आपको जो है सेंटेंसेस दिए हुए हैं, इसको आपको सिर्फ पढ़ना है और कुछ नहीं करना है। जैसे कि डोंट गो, मत जाओ। आई एम अफ्रेड, मैं डरता हूँ। नेवर माइंड, लुक आउट, एंड शेम ऑन यू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, spot the names of body parts from the story. Add 3 other names on your own. बॉडी पार्ट्स आपको दिए हुए हैं यहाँ पर पोएम में, लेसन में, चैप्टर में हेड, एंकल्स, फुट, नोज, आइज, नैप एंड फीट। मोर बॉडी पार्ट्स में हम लोग लिखेंगे फिंगर्स, ईयर्स, नी एंड शोल्डर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, लिस्ट द कैरेक्टर्स इन द स्टोरी एंड राइट देयर अप्रॉक्सीमेट एजेस। कैरेक्टर दिए हुए और आप उसको एजेस यहाँ पर दिए हुए। मलाशा की एज 5 से 6 साल होगी। अकुल्का की एज 7 से 8 साल होगी। एंड अकुल्कास मदर, अकुल्का की माँ की जो मदर है अकुल्का की, उसकी जो एज होगी वो 30 to 35 होगी। मलाशाज मदर 40, अकुल्कास ग्रैंड मदर 60। Question number 4, write the stages in which the fight began and got worse. You may show as many stages as you like. Then write how and when the people stop fighting. First है the fight. Akulka's mother hit Malasha. Malasha's mother ran out of her house and scolded Akulka's mother. The two women began to quarrel. The man also joined them and started quarreling. One word led to another and the quarrel became worse. Second, how the fight came to an end. Answer, Akulka wiped off her dress and went back to the puddle and began to scratch the ground with a pebble to let the water off into the street. Malasha came up and began to help her widen the rail. Both the girls forgot their quarrel and were enjoying their play. Akulka's grandmother saw this and brought this to the notice of the quarreling crowd. Looking at the girls who had forgotten their quarrel long ago, the crowd felt ashamed and scattered away, and the quarrel ended. Question number 5, choose any one of the reasons you have listed in the activity on page number 10. Write down and enact a quarrel based on that reason and also show how it was resolved. आंसर देखिए इसमें, इन द क्लास सोहम स्टील्स रोहन्स रूलर। Rahul, what are you hiding behind? Ajay, what? This is my ruler. Shows the ruler. Rahul, this is mine. I have lost the same ruler. Ajay, no, it cannot be. My friend gave this to me. Have a look. Rahul slaps Ajay. You cheat. Look, my name is Kap with a pin at the back end of the ruler. Ajay, no, this is mine. Why did you slap me? Ajay begins fighting with Rahul. Other students try to stop the fight. Hearing the noise, the teacher enters the class. Teacher, stop this at once. What was happening? Rahul tells the teacher about the theft. Teacher, Ajay, it is serious. It is open that you stole Rahul's ruler. Return the ruler to Rahul and don't do such a thing again. Say sorry to Rahul. Ajay, sorry sir. Sorry Rahul. The quarrel ends there. Question number 6, change the word in the color boxes to make other meaningful sentences. First, I will take off my shoes and you do the same. Answer, I will take off my t-shirt and you do the same. Second, I will take off my shoes and you do the same. Second, this is time for rejoicing. Answer, this is time for sleeping. This is time for cooking. Question number 7, read, remember and write. A, dress, dressed, walk, walked, grasp, grasp, laugh, laugh, start, started, jump, jump, pick, pick, look, look, want, wanted, pass, passed, gather, gather, scatter, scatter. B, run, ran, begin, begun, sing, sang, meet, meet, take, took, say, said, reply, replied, tried, tried, come, came, see, saw, get, got, bring, brought, fight, fight, give, gave, ate. यूज एनी टू ऑफ दीज पेयर्स इन द पेयर ऑफ सेंटेंसेस। एग्जाम्पल भी आपको दिया हुआ है। रन, रैन, माई डॉग रन्स वेरी फास्ट। यस्टरडे इट रैन आफ्टर अ कैट। फर्स्ट, मीट और मेट, ही मीट्स मी एवरी डे, ही मेट मी इन अ मीटिंग यस्टरडे। eat at. She eats an apple after lunch. She ate gladly at the feast. तो ये थे इसके इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप जो मैंने आपको बताया। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में स्टूडेंट्स, तब तक के लिए बाय।